welcome to the third part 3 of the chapter cell cycle and cell division. In the first chapter I have given you basic idea about this cell division. Second part I have explained you the difference between a mitosis and a meiosis type of cell division. Here I will be explaining you about the concept of chromosomes, okay, and also DNA, RNA, all this, understand? So understand this very nicely that the chromosomes in our body there are 23 pair of chromosomes, okay. First understand the type of cells. What are the different types of cells? I said cells in our body is of two types. One is the body cells, or you can say the somatic cells, understand. Second we have got is the reproductive cells. Is green color visible? I don't think it's not properly visible. Let me explain. Okay, or black. Blue and black is okay, no? Black. Okay. So now we know about the chromosomes. Okay. Very important chromosome. We have total 46 pair of chromosomes. Okay, we have got 46 pair of chromosomes. 46 chromosomes are there, which is 23 pair. That is 23 plus 23. Okay, so total 23 plus 23, that is 46 chromosomes we have in our body. Where chromosome 1 to chromosome 22nd pair of chromosome is known as the body or somatic chromosome. But the 23rd pair of chromosome is known as the reproductive or the sex chromosome. Okay, so 1 to 22nd pair of chromosome is known as your the normal chromosome, or the 23rd pair of chromosome is known as the sex chromosome. So total, if anybody asks you what is the number of chromosome which we have in our body, your answer should be we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, that is 46 chromosomes in our body. Clear? Where the 1 to 22nd pair of chromosome is known as the body, a normal chromosome, and the 23rd pair of chromosome is known as your reproductive or the sex chromosome. You need to understand this, that from 22nd pair, one parent, okay, suppose this is a male, okay, understand the concept, and this is a female. One male, one female. I said here 22nd, two chromosomes are there. 2 plus 2, that is 44 chromosomes. Here also 2 and here also 2. So suppose this is your child. In your child, here one parent will give 22, here another parent will give 22. So total how many chromosomes we are having? 44. But I said that each human will have 46 chromosomes. But understand that this is the 22nd pair. With that, one more is there. With that, one more is there. Understand? So from here, because I said 23rd pair, so from here one will come, from here one will come. Total 44 plus 1, 45 plus 1, 46 chromosomes. This is how it goes. Okay, understand one more concept very nicely. Female is always X and X, okay, and male is always X and Y. Understand? Here I will explain it. Here understand, suppose this is a female. Female will always have X and X chromosome. Male will always have X and Y chromosome. Understand? Now what happens is, suppose from here in the daughter, suppose in the offspring, this X goes. Okay. Father will give suppose this X. So X and X means what? I said X and X means it's a girl child. Girl child. Suppose this mother again gives this X. Now this father suppose gives this Y. So it's a boy child. Understand? So very nicely that the mother will always give X chromosome because the mother has got only X chromosome. They do not have the Y chromosome. So mother will only give the X chromosome. But a male or a father will give either the X chromosome or the Y chromosome, because you can see that the father has got both X and Y. So if the father is giving X and X chromosome, then it's a girl child. But if the father is giving a Y chromosome, then it's a boy child. So from here we understand very nicely that the sex of the child depends upon the father, the male. Why? Because mother will only give X chromosome. Mother has got two X chromosomes. So wherever in each type we can say mother will give the X chromosome, but the father either gives the X chromosome or it gives the Y chromosome. If it gives the X chromosome, then we can say it's a girl child because X and X girl. But if the father gives an Y chromosome, it's a boy child. Now here also you get disorders like Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. These three syndromes which we will be talking about. Like if it is XXY happens, okay, suppose by mistake one more X comes to the next generation. So what happens? That's a different case. Presently understand this is the main concept which happens, nothing other than this. Very simple. Female will have XX, male will have XY. Suppose if mother will always give X chromosome, if the father gives X chromosome, then it's a girl child, it's a daughter. But if the father gives a Y chromosome, then it's a boy child. Concept is clear or not telling you about this. This is a basic concept which you need to understand. And here the concept of chromosome is also clear. We have got 46 chromosomes in our body. That is 23 pair of chromosomes. Where 1 to 22 pair of chromosome is known as the normal body cells, you can say. But 23rd pair of chromosome is known as a reproductive cell. Okay. So this is what you have understand. In the next video, we will be talking about DNA and RNA, all those concepts. So for this video, I am ending this video. Hoping that you have understood this very basic concept, very interesting concept, something which is related to your regular life. So thus I end this video. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and comment this video. Okay. So thank you.